Yeah. I was just thinking, I actually was doing this same thing right here back when I was 14 or 15 years old. Going to high school, young lad going to high school with I had a 1951 Ford convertible. Never did have a top for that car. Flathead Ford engine. Up there at that Mumford sale. I done been scraping on it for a good while. So let's blow it with our hose, and then I'll show you the other one, what it looks like before we started. Air compressor. Oh yeah. That question in the comment section about this year 9972Z. I can't compare it up to nothing else because I ain't got the other else. But the question was about a belt change and such. And you open up that door right there, and right there is what you're dealing with in here. I ain't had no problem with the thing, I mean, I've done made 3 or 4 changes here today with threading and cutting and cast iron to high speed steel and such. And but it is what it is. And so far, it's not failed me. But I've been threading some cast iron, so it was as low as it'll go, and it's not low enough. I'll tell you that for real. When you get it all set up right there, you need to be about half. You need to be way down yonder. So, and all I'm gonna do is take that belt right there off and put the other belt from that gear down yonder up here to this right here, and be high speed. And the code to go by is right here on the front. You just move stuff around there like it says to do, and you'll be all right with it. But it's we got to turn that. That's 1018 steel right there. Going to turn it to size. That's all. Well, yeah. The way I got it set up right there, it's in like I'm using ABC gear pattern on the front right here. That set up right there. So if you use that B gear, see, you can only get up to 560 RPM. Well, you take it out of the equation and go from A to C, and at 2400, that's really motoring on down the road right there. It's way too much. So, but anyways, I'm just going to take that belt off and put the other belt from here to there. So, and I done already relieved that gear out of the drive gear there. So, it'd just be free. It'd just be for riding. Yeah, okay. A little lacquer thinner on there. I think it's a 1953 8BA. Oh yeah, I'll show you what it looked like before we started on it. It's a 8RT 6050B. For short, what that is. Oh yeah. That's an 8RT 6050B. And right up there above it, it's got an F. And right over here, it's got a 310H. That's about it. Yeah. Well, it's going to take a little more cleaning, but they're not as bad as I thought. They're not too bad. Well, we'll get all of that gone before we ever try to start it up. Just kind of see what we got to work with there. The other side's a little better.